Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Sip Easy. So you have decided to start your first SIP investment, but are confused about the right amount for your SIP, correct? Now, just because your friend or a colleague has a monthly SIP of a particular amount, that does not mean this is the right amount for you too. Here, there is no one-size-fits-all model. Every individual is different, and so are their requirements. You need to first decide what are your investment goals, and then what is your target corpus, the time in hand, the amount of risk that you are willing to take, based on which your asset allocation could be made. These inputs can help you decide and calculate your SIP installment amount. For example, if your goal, let's say your child's higher education is costing 25 lakh rupees today, considering 7% inflation, in 15 years it will increase to about 69 lakh rupees. To create that corpus, based on the expected returns, your monthly SIP amount will range from 19,800 rupees to 13,700 rupees approximately. You may also take the help of our SIP calculator to estimate the amount by visiting the link in the description. Just remember, हमारी जिंदगी भी SIP की तरह ही है. Because the more you invest, the earlier you may reach your goal. So, when are you starting your SIP? An investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.